So gentle strokes. So gentle strokes until the milk comes to a boil. So gentle strokes until the milk comes to a boil. And reason for the stroke is to make sure that nothing or no milk is burnt or stuck at the bottom of the pot. Then you pour the boiled milk into a glass pot or a glass dish such as the one shown on the video, and then you keep on slowly stroking gently, not hard but very gently. And then what you do is you also going to put this thermostat and want to keep monitoring the temperature. Just like that. And you want to make sure that the temperature drops to 70 centigrade or 160 degree Fahrenheit. So it will keep on going up right now. Keep on the gentle strokes. So this is the stored milk in the fridge, which I'm going to pour into the boiled milk once it hits 70 degrees centigrade. So right now I'm just going to keep on gently stroking to make it very smooth. Just like with a fork, you gently stroke it. Now the yogurt is very smooth. So what we are going to do, we're going to pour this into the milk that is now that's exactly at 70 degrees centigrade. You're just going to simply pour it in. So we're just going to gently pour the yogurt into the milk. And then continue with very small strokes, very gentle, because it's yogurt. For it to prepare, you need to be very gentle with the strokes. And this is one sign to show that this is going to be a great yogurt. So we placed the pot's top, and then and we gently placed it on a just like that in the center, and we're going to tie it all the sides to make sure that the heat is preserved until the preparation time is elapsed. So I'm just going to tie it now. So we're going to tie it into 2 layers, something like that, like a cloth, and a towel like that. So this is the final step. Once you tied both layers of the towel and like a blanket, which is warm enough to preserve the heat for the yogurt. So from here on, you're going to leave it just sitting like that for about 9 hours and less, because if it goes above 9 hours, then it's going to produce a lot of water or liquid. So if you want your yogurt to be more solid, then 9 hours is good enough. So this is after 9 hours of waiting for the regular yogurt, and we just unwrapped it, and this is how it's gonna look like. So what we're gonna do, we're going to place this in the fridge for maybe about a couple of hours, maybe 3 or 4, depends, and then it's gonna make it even more solid. So we'll check it out in the morning. Alright, so I just got this original or regular yogurt out of the fridge. So if you see the water on the lid, that is formed because of the steam. So I'm just going to drain that in the sink, just to make sure that the excess water is not going to go in the actual yogurt. So this is how it looks like after staying overnight for about 6 hours in the fridge, and then you can heat it, and then once you are done, better to place it back to the fridge, because it's not going to stay fresh. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please comment, share my videos, and I'll see you in the next video.